Man, right? Yeah, the white rum, you know, man. If you know how much man that's in there kill you, see me, brethren? Yeah, cause right now, you know, them say, you know, you see some man, him no know a limit, you know. He might get the rum free, right?
Yeah.
And I know a limit, you know, my brethren, and the stream might get it free. My God, the man drink, sell when you take a stop. Yes, a roadside, you go see him lay down, you know, my brethren. Then some of them when they drinking feel bad, like in and kill the world. And as you blow up on him, so in drop, my brethren. Out there, him a go. A whistle. The water him sit down and that one little house there. I watch we out there work. I hear the man a whistle. We hear the water say, prisoner! The whole of we look round. He say, you come here. The one we a whistle. When the man go out there, my God, the water hold the man down and shut tail his sister and wrap up in her hand and come up to his neck and hold him so and say, yes! You don't know see a prisoner there. The man don't know where man say. He say, listen, you see me and I pop your big whistle, right? You want to make you know say you not come here to live life, you come here to suffer. Wham! With the button in the bone and foot here so. Jesus God, it bust pan the bone. And the man go down and start to learn and look pan it. Wham in her head back. And busting head back. Jesus God. Up at the hospital and haul him, carry him gone, Rasta. Right?
So, just because of whistling.
Just because of whistling. You hear, sir? My mother-in-law line up one police where they call him Dobson and tell him how to come in for me.
Yeah.
Then see out of the place broke. And then suspect me. And the man just threw they say the rampus them out. Then suspect him. So Dobson say him give me a visit. Right? God Almighty. My dad me a cooking a rest on the fire. And me have one radio and me and a play. And me have some command pole there. And me see folk them a run past the doorway, you know. And when me go at the doorway and look, and right now gun me a look. Me see I drop the radio, you see me brethren, and tear down the whole place. Some man a call me, I said, Dread, then soon grind you know. Me I say, here you know. Him no know say Rasta man him attack. Me have to cut him off immediately, right? Some man I say, Natty, me a one club, you know. And me want you come at the club and come wine pan the go-go there. Me say, here you again, my God. Him no see says a Rasta man, what kind of ungodliness the man him a accompany me with, right? Jealous and bad mind. Fuck dog, in fuck cow, in fuck donkey, in fuck mouth, in fuck pussy, in fuck body. What a dangerous rascal spirit couldn't understand, you know. The name where they name the sitting behind a man named Cocky. It's 3 demons from up on Mars, they name it after name Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3. The amount of man where Cocky put in a problem is the only God, he can't control it, you know. Because when he start to push out, it a fuck with his head or him a go broke. And you see by him broke, I don't have family court they have him. You know, so some of them kill the woman them and run. Well, some go in a prison, right? Who do it? Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3. Because he can't manage him. Because he's a deadly spirit. The man not talking, you know. The man only hack, right? When you say silent river run deep, the breeder work Cocky Head 1, 2, and 3 I do. And when it's done, if a him fi say him, he drop back under the man silent, and the man ain't after. And then if you know how the man do the hack, or they sitting under him, I do them wickedness there, right? Because they start stand up, it a fuck with the man head, right? And the man can do better, right?
How are you this morning?
Not too bad, brother. Give thanks, man.
How did your surgery go?
Yes, man. Right now, me to go back Thursday there tomorrow to make the doctor them inspect it.
Now, I saw your appeal. Said
Yes.
that I should reach out to you and give you some assistance.
You don't know me grateful, man. Right? Sure, man. I pray for thee, man. You know, man. He's strong and stay strong, you know, my brethren.
Always, always.
Yes, health is wealth, dear, my friend.
Look here, I take it serious, you know, boss. And I encourage all Jamaicans to take their health very seriously.
All right.
Yeah, you know, you can't let stress and difficult times get you down. But listen to me now. I use one of your phrases, Radam.
Yes.
And you said to me, I heard you on social media, you said, Prime Minister, this is like how you use Radam, you should come and give me a little thing. And I say, it's true, you know. Our creatives are so ingenious. The term that you have come up with communicates exactly what I wanted to communicate to those persons who are involved in crime. The government is going to put harsher penalties on you as a deterrent. Now, that is the essence of Radam.
Mr. My brethren, when you say it and how you say it, you don't know me laugh, you know. No, you have to laugh, you know, if you hear me. But that man, you know, Radam, you know, right?
But listen, you are a very creative person. I want to enlist your support in talking to some of our young men in particular who are being drawn into a life of crime and deviance. I have seen some of your stuff where you have explained your own life story and things that have happened to you. And I want to encourage you to use the audience that you have captured by your unique ways of expressing things to direct them in the right path.
You don't know me proud of you here, my brother, because right now the amount of calls you get from England, America, Canada, say, Dread, me that go rob and kill, you know. I want to listen to you, me couldn't do it again. And I said, that's good, my brethren, man. Whoever hears to hear, let them hear. And whoever eyes to see, let them see. But some still hear the truth and know the truth and still then they can hard they act against it. And woe be unto them, you know.
Woe be unto them.
Yes.
But you keep talking positive. You know, make sure that what you are expressing is fit for everyone to consume. Make sure that you are giving always a positive message and that you are taking care of your health, because ultimately that is your wealth. I saw the situation of your housing as well, and we're going to make some arrangements to assist.
Jah guide and keep you, my brother.
All right, Osborne, a.k.a.
My brother, man.
Peanut Dread.
Thanks, man, to hear your voice here, King, man, and your attention here.
All right, bless.
Good.
Cool.